Welcome to clickmyproject.com. The project title is A Methodology for Direct and Indirect Discrimination Prevention in Data Mining. Now going to explain the project. In this project, the main objective is to provide a methodology to prevent both direct and indirect discrimination. Now going to explain abstract. Nowadays, there is a vast amounts of data are available in the net. Those are collected, stored and processed for variety of administrative and governmental decisions, but they may lead to unwanted or unjustified selections and gives discriminated result. In existing method, there is a methodology only for direct or for indirect discrimination prevention. In proposed system, the methodology is developed for providing prevention for both direct and indirect discrimination. Now going to explain data flow diagram. The process starts with considering the adult data set. After that, have to apply pre-processing process. In pre-processing, we are removing unwanted data and stored in database for further process. After that, have to measure the discrimination in terms of support and confidence values. Then the utility have to be calculated. Based on the calculated utility, the data is transformed. It's called data prevention process. Finally, we can publish the data. Now going to show the demo of the project. This is the starting page of the project. By clicking start process, we can start the further process. Here we are going to browse the dataset which was selected as an input for our project, and by clicking load button, the dataset is loaded into the database. After loaded, the pop-up message will be shown here. Here we are considering more number of data in the dataset. Now the data are loaded into the database. By clicking show button, the loaded database contents are shown here. Next, the pre-processing process is started. By clicking raw dataset, the input dataset is shown here. By clicking pre-processing, the unwanted characters are converted into null string. After that, the pre-processing is successfully finished by removing that null strings. By clicking pre-processed dataset button, we can view the pre-processed input. Next, the process is considered 4 data like A data, B data, C and D data. Those are the inputs of their algorithm, or we can say that as a methodology. By clicking sensitive buttons, we get the sensitive attributes values like age, race and sex attributes. By clicking next button, here we can see the support and confidence value. By clicking calculate confidence button, we can get the support and confidence of the A data. Next, we are going to consider the B data. By clicking these buttons, we get the distinct values of these attributes. Next, here we are going to calculate the support and confidence for the B data. Next, here we are considering C and D data. Those were class attribute and non-sensitive attributes. Next, we are going to calculate the support values and then calculate the confidence value by using the support value for C and D data. Next, here we are going to apply the utility measure process. By clicking calculate button, the methods are calculated here. By clicking view button, we can view the results of that applying method. These are the formulas used to calculate the result values by using those methods. Next, here we are going to show the transform dataset. By clicking given dataset button, here we are showing the input dataset. Here we are going to see the transform dataset. Transformation is nothing but the male string is converted into as female like this. Then to know the performance evaluation process, here we are clicking evaluation button. The performance is shown here as information loss ratio. The red line denoting that existing method, and the blue line is showing that this proposed system.